Okay, here we are at 2555 North Windy Walk, number 73. You have great views of Pinnacle Peak. These are townhomes, two to a building. Actually, this one has three, it looks like. Three to a building. This is number 73 in the middle. You have your two-car garage. And then your entrance, you have a slate walkway coming up. There's a sliding glass door here. Nice 8-foot door. Looks like the exterior has been recently painted. Again, that's an HOA responsibility. So you walk in. It's got a great feel because the ceilings are so high. You have a powder room right here. This is a coat closet and this niche. This is the current kitchen. I think Wally has some ideas.
With a big island and
dishwasher.
You could do drawings, so we could take a look at it at some point.
I would need to do as-builts first, unless they can provide it. And yes, once I have as-builts, but you have to hire somebody to do that.
Yeah.
Because I don't have dimensions, right?
Yeah.
Well, this is probably pretty good, actually. We could probably come in and dimension this.
So this is a eat-in kitchen, but the girls are already talking about making one big kitchen.
This could
Laundry.
Yeah.
You do have a sink in here.
I'd like to rip that. I don't know what structure.
And then this is the garage. Good sized garage. Got some depth to it. Your water heater's in here. Tall ceilings. Holy cow. So this is the living room.
Be worth changing because yes, I would change the face of that. And the only reason is that it would need to look
for a second. Dining.
renovated.
Yeah.
But if you sat here for a year and you went, yeah, we really like it, and so we're ready to go.
This is the outdoor patio. On the main level, you have flagstone. Room for a little barbecue out here. Mountain views. Trim these back a little bit so you can enjoy the view a little bit more. So there's a slider out the main living space plus the dining room. And there's an upper balcony. Tray ceiling. All right, so going up the stairs, the carpet looks new and in good condition. And it looks like the paint's pretty fresh too. It looks, well, dark.
I would change way lighter.
So this is your master suite. So good size. There's king bed here. And then you have your water closet. Tub shower. Nice long vanity. You have linen area. So travertine floors. Looks like oak cabinets that could be easily painted. Granite countertops. Travertine on the walls here. And then the closet. Looks like he's got more clothes than her. Actually, it's all he clothes. Okay, so here is the closet. And then from bed, you have a great view of the mountain. There's the patio. So you have beautiful mountain views. Lots of saguaro cactus. Multi-million-dollar houses over here. These are all custom homes around this little town home area. Little boulder patches. This is the lower patio. Got some nice cactus. So the guest bedrooms are down the hall here. There's pretty much views from every window. Oh, it's bright. Okay, so this is the first room. This one's a little bit smaller. And closet. The hardware is good on the doors. The doors are nice. Here's the bath. Pretty much the same travertine floors, granite countertops. We've got the tub shower combination. This does have a door, a pocket door here to go into this other guest bedroom. Closet. And then beautiful views. You could probably see city lights and amazing sunsets.